Hey guys, it's Catfish back with another video. And on today's video, we're out in Valparaiso, Indiana at the Harley Davidson dealership where they have a little car show / cruise night every Friday. You guys know that I was at last Friday I was over at Crestwood, so I had to flip it. So I decided to come up here tonight. So it's a lot of cars out here, man. I'm just gonna walk through. Y'all gonna be surprised at some of the cars you see. This is ridiculous, man, but it's all good. Y'all check this truck out right here. This is crazy. It's a 1950 pickup. Look at it, guys. Look at the wood on the bed. Look at it. Look at the tires. Let me see if I can get back and let y'all see. Tires wide as hell. Yeah, it's spitting flames too, guys. Yeah. Yeah, it's a flamethrower. Y'all see the flamethrower back there?
Never seen it on the outside like that.
Yeah, I know. That wood is nice.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm filming it now. Beautiful. That's it. That young man right there's truck.
Cool.
Got another truck. Like I say, keep watching, guys. Y'all gonna see some stuff that you never think you see. It's another nice Chevy pickup. It's clean too. Got the side exhaust on it. The inside is clean too. Look at that. Look at that Mazda RX-7, y'all. I know y'all ain't seen one of them in a long time. It's a lot of cars out here though. A lot of cars.
Oh yeah.
Got a 4-door 57. Oh, this thing nice.
So I peeled all that
You don't see
off.
too many 4-doors.
No.
This thing is nice.
I was telling him I brought this. It's an $800 shell when I brought
This
it.
thing is nice.
No motor, no trans.
Check it out, guys. A 4-door 57. What? You don't see them too often. This thing straight as an arrow. Look down the side of this car. Pretty straight. Pretty straight.
It's kind of shape.
Yeah.
You do see one.
Thing is nice.
Good shape.
Thank you.
Thing is really nice, guys. It's a work in progress. He's still working on it.
Yeah, I am.
But and he got the little motto up there too.
I got to the point where it's at now, and then I started on the 2-door.
Ah,
I gotta get back on this and finish.
got a nice engine in it. Got an electric fan right there. This is nice. Check it out, guys. Like I said, when you come to these things, oh, look at this here. I know y'all see this right here.
Oh wow.
There's a bunch of these up here. I'm gonna show them all to you. Look at that C8, boy. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna walk around, let y'all see. I'm gonna show y'all something else that you wouldn't think would be at a car show like this. Oh, there go that little car again. We gonna walk. There go the C8 again. Y'all see old girl sitting there all by herself. We're gonna walk down here. I'm gonna show y'all something else. Look at all these cars. Look at this little car right here. That little car right there, that's cute. Got a lot of stuff out here. Got a Javelin, Camaro. A lot of cars. Got a GTR. Wait a minute. Hold on. What's that there? CJ, where you at? Lamb talk, baby. Y'all see it? Huracan with the red guts. Yeah, yes sir. I told you guys it be some of every kind of car here. See the Lamb with the carbon fiber spoiler on the back? Yes sir. Yes sir. Lamb talk, guys. Y'all see it? Yep. Got a lot of stuff out here, boy. A lot of stuff. I'm finna do some more walking. There's a lot of cars out here. Got a Cougar over here that I like. I know I like these Cougars. That thing nice too, guys. Look at that. Mustang Lambo doors, that pretty green. Stang gang, where you at, bro? Where you at, broski? Yep. Another Mustang. They told me it's a pretty special Corvette out here that I gotta go check out. We're gonna walk around there and see it. It's a lot of stuff out here, people. I know y'all ain't seen an RX-7 in a long time. That boy nice. Y'all see it pulling off. Like I say, a lot of cars. Shelby GT, ORT, 78 TA, another old pickup truck. Camaro with a supercharger on it. Yeah, y'all see the supercharger on this Camaro. Yep. Got a Tesla. Got all kinds of cars. But this Jeep right here, it's a 44 Willys Jeep, and my ex-boss has owned it for 42 years. Look. Yeah, this is nice. Fuel cell. The big nice. Sounds nasty, guys, too. Yeah, if you hear it, it sounds nasty. Got a small block in it. See the headers and all that. Tilt front end. Yeah, I see it. Clean. Clean. Got the flip up windshield. Got the bucket seats. Y'all see the hand grenade in there? Yep, thing clean. I'm gonna walk over this way. Oh, wait a minute. Y'all remember last time y'all had it? I gotta get it. I gotta put it back on the video. He just painted it this time. Y'all remember this car from a couple years ago? He just painted it. Yeah, guys, y'all see the detail on this thing? Look at the detail. Got a belt on it. Got all the lines. Got the coilovers. Look at it. Got the headers.
If I'm rolling up the cruise night with something cool, he's got to be cruising something cool. Right.
Hey, even got an ignition.
Look,
got an ignition key in it. Yep. Yeah, that's the coolest car here, guys.
Thank you.
All right, man. Yeah, we gonna walk. A lot of cars. A lot of stuff. Well, I like this high boy. Y'all might not know this is a high boy. This is a Ford. This thing is so pretty. Look at the engine. Got the dual velocity stacks on there. Thing clean. Y'all see it? Look at the inside. Red guts. Look at it. And it even smells good, guys. Yep. I gotta go find this other car I want to show you guys. There's a lot of stuff out here, man. Mustang, Corvette, 67 SS 396, Viper. Look at this 57, man. It's one of the prettiest 57s in the world right here. Look at this thing. It's on bags too. Y'all see it. Look at the engine you got in there. Let me go, I gotta get this Humvee. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff out here. Another 57 yellow. Nice.
Well, what are you waiting for?
Y'all remember when they used to paint cars like this? Look at this Camaro. Look at this. Look at this Camaro. He ain't got no windshield wipers, guys.
Catfish!
What up?
Hey, cover up what you don't want painted.
They don't paint like this no more, people.
Put your clear on there.
This is the original paint job from 1968.
With
Yes.
put clear
Wow.
on there with a retarder.
That's nasty.
So now it takes like
Look at this
15
damn
minutes
car,
to set
man.
up, and then you got your other gun already. We
Yeah, I
use a
see
cheap
it.
Sears gun. That
Yeah, look at-
low
look-
pressure,
look at the
man. Like I
details
said,
on this
like
paint.
silly string.
Like
And just shoot it up,
great. Look at-
shoot
look
it up
at
in
the-
the air,
look at
and
the
it floats
details.
down into the thing. Then you come back tomorrow.
Look at the details in this paint. That's crazy. Got the side pipes, got the American. I had rims like that on my Trans Am, people. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a Mustang with a 4-speed, real nice.
Yeah. Right.
So much stuff out here, man. I'm still walking. No.
6-cylinder faster than the 8.
Look at all the stuff, y'all. Look at the 70 Challenger. Road Runner. So much stuff out here. It's craziness, man. That old Chevy got a paint job like that too. Bunch of GTOs. That's very quiet. Can't even hear it. A lot of stuff out here. A lot of stuff still coming out. 63 Nova over there. Old Bonneville. Scatty. RT. That Catalina. Oh, that's a Catalina station wagon. That's nice. Look at this old Pontiac, man. This thing is stupid clean. Look at this. Wow. It's a Star Chief, too. Look at that. Woo-wee. That's nice, guys. Clean little Mustang. This wagon is so clean right here. Look at this. Look at this. Got the cloth seat, 4-speed, has air conditioning. Nice, 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 nice. Yep. A lot of cars out here. Look at this. Look at this old Grand Marquis, guys. Grand Marquis, clean. First gen Charlie. What's up? Trying to get this vet on here. It's a nice Corvette over here. Look at this vet. He even got the ring in the front. Look at this thing. That's a wrap, guys. Look at that. Z06. Y'all see it? Look at the metal flakes on his Nova. This thing is beautiful.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to get down there. We were talking about
67. Nice, nice, nice. Like I say, guys, drop in the comments and tell me which is the favorite car of yours that I have shown so far. I'm still walking. I got a couple more cars I want to show you. I'm trying to get away from that copyright, but yeah. Trying to get away from the copyright. Got a nice Nova. 69 SS. Look at this Lexus. That Lexus is nice. Look at the Lexus. Ooh-wee. Now this is nice. That is nice. Look at the red guts in it. Beautiful. That's pretty. Y'all see it. Got another Corvette coming. Another Z06. There's a lot of stuff out here, boy. Look at this 55 Bel Air. Boy, this 55 Bel Air is clean. Look at this. Dang, stupid clean, guys. Stupid clean. Like I said, it's a lot of stuff out here. Got Officer Square Nuts over there. Check him out. There he is right there. He on the job, though. He ain't doing nothing. Got a Firebird, CTSV. A lot of stuff out here. BMW. A lot of stuff out here, guys. Oh, we got a Camaro. Let me walk through the grass over here. Got a nice Camaro over here. I got 67 SS right there. Got a Camaro. Ooh, this Camaro clean too. Got the houndstooth interior. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, a lot of stuff out here. Another Mustang. I get this Starfire on here. This Starfire is nice, guys. Look at this. Look at this Starfire. Convertible too. Yeah, it's real nice. And you got a couple of SS's with the LS6 in them, 454s.
Speaking of Catfish Corner.
450 horse.
That's mine.
Thing ain't no jokester.
No,
Oh,
it's
you
not.
got the original Delco battery, guys. Check that
Yeah,
out. That's kind of
we'll see
nice.
around.
Look how clean the engine bay is. 396s were a dime a dozen, but when you LS6,
Oh yeah, 454.
LS6, two of them. It's another one right here. He just got the different intake. Yep, LS6. Nasty SS. Got a Tempest right here that's a 326. Look at it. Look at the engine. Look at the pulley setup, guys. It's crazy. Nice, 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 nice. All right, guys. That's going to end this edition of Catfish Corner. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And just like that, this video is over.